Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down the context. Which screen or printed surface needs higher contrast and under what lighting? Once done, enable the OS or app high contrast setting and open the color tool so you can test live. Make sure to choose a minimal palette, 2 to 3 colors with clearly different luminance values, because fewer colors simplify contrast math and speed validation. Now you have the prerequisites in place, and your first actionable adjustments ready to test in real time. You now focus on the complex middle work, measuring and iterating. Use a contrast checker to evaluate each critical pair, text on background, icons, buttons, aiming for accessible ratios that suit your audience. Then, refine hue, saturation, and luminance carefully. Small luminance shifts can yield large contrast gains without breaking brand color. Make sure to test at real sizes, including small UI elements, because readability changes with scale. Keep iterating until every important element clears your chosen thresholds. You finish by locking in the final palette and documenting exact color values so others reproduce the results. Once finalized, run quick user checks, view in grayscale, test on low vision settings, and sample different displays to confirm consistency. If something still fails, increase the luminance delta between foreground and background or bump text weight and size. These fixes often restore legibility without reworking the whole system. A single troubleshooting tip: when in doubt, simplify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.